Today we're making fajita seasoning. Come on in, welcome to my home. This is really fast, and I mean really fast. I am making my own fajita seasoning simply because I wanted to make my own fajita seasoning. I wanted to see how easy it was to make, and it really is easy. You'll probably have everything which you need for it already in your spice drawer, and also you're probably going to use a spice which I don't ever use. I'm not even sure why I bought it, but I'm now using it. The ingredients are going to flash up on the screen, but they're probably going to be really fast. So check out the description. They're all listed down below in their amounts. But let's get started. It is that quick. We're going to start off with, this is just cornstarch. I'll put the cornstarch in there. Yes, I'm stalling. That's why I'm explaining everything. And then I'm using sea salt, or you can use kosher salt, whatever kind of salt you want. Then we have chili powder. You can use your favorite chili powder. Paprika. Get the best paprika that you can get. Sugar. Now I'm using raw sugar. You can use whatever kind of sugar that you love. This is onion powder. And cumin. This is the spice that I said I rarely ever use, but I do have. Cumin. Cayenne pepper. Now this is ground cayenne pepper. You use as much cayenne pepper as you like. And of course garlic powder. Now we are going to mix this up. You could just put the lid on this and mix it up. The reason I'm tilting this as I mix it is for two things. One, so that you can see it, and the other, it does help make sure that everything gets mixed in together. Now you're asking yourself how much of this would be a packet of fajita seasoning? Well, a packet of fajita seasoning would equal 3 tablespoons of your homemade seasoning. It is that simple. I mean, that quick, that wonderful. And if you're wondering why I'm making fajita seasoning, it's because, well, no. You're going to have to wait till next week till you see what I make with the fajita seasoning. But it is going to be so good. If you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at cmcolemanhome. Don't forget to check out my Patreon. It really helps keep this channel going. And I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.